What you doing? Good listening. Good job. Got it.
And peace.
Huh?
Peace.
Home?
On.
On?
And.
On?
On. Daddy. Daddy.
He's coming.
Huh?
He'll be here in just a minute. Oh, wee. Turn that off. Gonna get us in trouble. What is it?
Daddy.
Daddy did what? He did.
Playing that water over.
Okay. Daddy.
Yeah, he said play in it.
Oh.
You gonna play in it?
Get ready to transplant these.
Already? Look. Don't say you broke my heart.
Sorry, gotta have the water, buddy.
Look at me. Look. What is this? Can I use a little bit of this water? Don't drink it. So we're back at the house. Oh my goodness, my allergies are something terrible. Uh-oh, my hair's falling down. Not that it matters. But it's one of those days. It's one of those days where things are happening that are out of your control, that you anticipate happening, but at the same time, once they do happen, you're like, why? Why do they have to happen? He said the peas are going to have to be replanted. The okra is going to have to be replanted. Corn, he was going to leave it, but there were some spots that were not coming up. He was going to check the cow corn. There was a few more things, I think, but he bought a new tiller. He needs a tiller that's stronger. Not stronger, heavier, to go down into the dirt heavier. So he got one, and it's heavier, but it spits dirt out the side, so it's shooting dirt out onto the opposite rows. Not opposite, but, pierce your row, it's shooting dirt out onto the other plants. So, and then my allergies are crazy, my eyes just are watering. I'm going to go inside and work on some computer stuff, get some things, technical stuff handled, before one of our big shows of the year, Homestead Hollow, is this weekend. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're just here. Is that an old light? right. Well, it's a pretty day. All right. Well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Putting a light on your tractor?
We're gonna see.
Is it working? The light? No, I was wondering if it was or not. Like if you had gotten that far.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. And now I have eye socks.
They're cute. All right, stand there. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say I grew a little bit
I
overnight.
grow a little bit overnight.
Your overalls are a little short. What you think?
I like them. Can you buy me a little more bigger ones?
Yes, we can do that.
When I grow up, can you buy me clothes?
Yes, because you're growing by the day. Can you get your finger on the nose? Okay.
Be easy. Gotta be easy. Can you rub him? Rub him on the back?
Where's your passy cowboy?
What are you looking at?
What are you looking at? Something in the grass. I don't know if he said something about a bug.
He did. He saw a lady.
Is that kind? You tell him sorry.
He sees all the details. Like he saw a little ladybug
I
on a
know.
blade of grass and watched it until it moved and then screamed.
Nose is not liking. Anyway, we're gonna head over to the other field, I guess, and see what he's doing over there. He's done here, so here we go. Like a big old saw? Is that like a big old saw? You going back over there with Daddy? Okay. Bye. Alright, so we're stopping to check out the chickens on our way back to the house. Yeah, bud. You coming? Now I'm going back to the house. I'm going back to the house. This is one set. That's the second set right there. He's moved them. Well, I don't even know what day it is, but he's moved them within the last couple days. They're doing good. close are you to being done here?
Huh?
How close are you being done here for today?
This probably is.
Can I leave him
Why?
to go finish to make sure everything's done? Shredded? Okay. Or Nehemiah, do you want to come with me or you want to stay here? Huh? You staying here or you going with mommy? No. No? Alright, I'm leaving. Bye. No, I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk back.
Okay, close. Huh? That lot there, that catch lot will be divided.
When I first came out here, I didn't see those other posts. And I was like, okay, they only put 6 posts up all day.
Yeah, step back, but I don't want to hit you.
Proud of you. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15.
Huh? Hey, yeah. Won't you step back a couple steps? Won't you step back a couple steps? Huh? Won't you stand right there? I need you to stand right there and not move, okay?
Look, his shirt says good days ahead. It was not intentional. Look, I like it, Nehemiah. Show Daddy. He'll like it too. Tell Papa you're gonna buy him one. Just like that.
Hey. Outside -5.5, it's 10, 11, whatever you said it needed to be. Excuse me. Excuse me. us a measure.
Dad. Dad. You guys.
He's asking what that is.
What?
That what you were sitting on.
Well, really all that's left we can do is pull that thing up. Needs another one here, and then we need what are we gonna do here with the gate?
Papa.
Hey,
Oh.
you cold?
Oh, ooh, your ears are freezing.
Tinta.
Huh.
Kamu.
Grandma's not hammering, no. She's at the house. Grandma's making cornbread. She's not hammering.
Size.
Yes, he's with Grandma.
Size.
Yep, Silas went with Grandma.
Come home.
They went home, yep.
Size home. Huh?
No, Silas went to Grandma's. Don't put that in your mouth. That's what Mommy did. That's what Mommy's got a her lip, boo boo.
Dada.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy. Boo boo.
Yeah, ouchie boo boo.
Daddy.
Daddy, no, as a little girl I fell.
Daddy. Daddy. Yeah. Fight.
I'm not fighting with that. Thanks for the offer.
Baba.
Had all that mess tore apart. Supper about ready? Who you hollering at?
Puppy.
Oh,
Puppy.
did anybody let the dogs out?
No, bruh.
Somebody let the dogs. Kim over there?
No, bruh.
Ready? Good. Take the bugs over and let them out and come back. No? Susie?
Hey, Nehemiah.
Susie.
Will you go let the dogs out?
Okay.
Okay, so we came back to let the dogs out, and as we're coming back, Kaden throws up all over me, all over the steering wheel. So in the meantime, where'd the wipe go? There it is. In the meantime, I'm thinking we're gonna make some shirts. I think our new t-shirt design is gonna be no bad days. Even on bad days, there's no bad days. Alright, let's ride. Okay. Just trying to help out. I get thrown up on. Yep. It's alright. It's alright.
Say. T. T.
No.
T.
Yeah?
Okay.